These are the elevators at Sarasota Memorial Hospital, the A Bank in Sarasota, Florida. Let's go to 6. Notice how 6 has a flush button and the rest of these pop out a little bit. Bouncing. Don't know if it was in the frame, but you can see a little bit of classic leveling. We're gonna go to 1. Here's your inspection certificate. These look like these used to be Dover. Not sure when the mod happened. Since I was here last, they put a new cover on the doors. Like, notice how the letter A is now a lot smaller than it used to be. As you can see right here. And we're not gonna ride it, but just to show you. That elevator right there was a little bigger than the rest. That'll be it.